The Vivo S2 is an upcoming mid-range smartphone officially confirmed to launch in India on August 6, 2026. Vivo S2 will feature a curved front and back with a clean and minimalistic look. The images show a handset with a matte black, white and rose gold color, a vertical camera module tucked in the top left corner, with a light ring around it, a 50MP Sony main sensor with 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP selfie camera. The Vivo S2 is tipped to feature a 6.83-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 processor and include 8GB RAM with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. It is also tipped to pack a 7050 mAh battery with support for 44W fast charging. The Vivo S2 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will carry a launch price of between 40,000 Indian rupees and 45,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.